Hey everyone, today I will show you how to trade options on RBC Direct Investing. First of all, go to the RBC Direct Investing website and log into your account. Ensure your account has options trading enabled. If not, you will need to apply for options trading approval. Once logged in, go to the trading tab and select option. You will see an options order from where you can enter your trade details. After that, enter the symbol of the stock of ETF you want to trade option on. Choose the type of option, the expiration date, and the strike price. Specify the number of contracts and the order type. Now review and submit your order. Review the trade details carefully to ensure accuracy. When ready, submit your order. You can track your option order status is under the order status tab. Tips for success. Keep an eye on fees and commissions associated with options trading. Familiarize yourself with basic options strategies like buying, calls, or protective puts if you are new to option. And that's it. With these steps, you can start trading option on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks for watching.